Alright, so we have a couple of tags here on the left pane that we want to do. We have to turn off permissions inheritance for day data and night data. So let's just get started. We go into File Explorer and it's inside the D drive. So we are now in the D drive. You can see the day data and the night data, and what we want to do is to turn off permissions inheritance. So let's just right click on this, go to properties and security and advanced and disable inheritance for administrators, disable inheritance, convert inherited permission into explicit permission to this object. So this converts the system permission to, so click on this. And what else are we to do? Remove the user group from each folder. So this is the user, we have to remove it. Remove. What else do we do after removing users group? Add appropriate group, day group or night group to the folders ACL. So let's go ahead and add. We'll go to edit. Oh, so this is not giving us opportunity to do that, so let's just apply what we've done here. Okay, so go to edit and we add. What are we adding? The group, the group, check name we add, and we give them full permissions and apply OK. So the same thing we're gonna do to night group. We'll go over here, go to properties, advanced. Oh, what are we doing? We go to security, advanced. We're going to disable inheritance, convert. Alright, so that is done. We're going to apply OK. So we go to edit and we're adding. Oh, we are removed. You're supposed to remove this. We remove, so this has been removed. And we add. What are we adding? Night group. Oh, day group rather. Night group rather. Night. No space. Night group. So we check name, okay, and we'll give them full permissions, apply OK, and I guess we're done. Click OK here. Let's check our answers. Everything seems correct. If this video was helpful, you may want to consider sharing so that others can benefit also. And remember to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.